If you don't know C Sharp and don't know where to start learning, this video should help you get started with C Sharp. Before getting deep, let's talk something that you should know before getting started. That is the zero step, because in programming everything starts with zero, and the zero step is: first go subscribe and watch till the end, and like or dislike this video if this helped you out. With that said, let's jump right into the video. First thing you should know about C Sharp is that it is of course a programming language, and it is used to make a tons of things like applications, webs and games and many more. But most people learn C Sharp to make games in Unity, and it's not too hard, not too easy to learn. Then we come to our step number one, which is a decision. So now you know more about C Sharp, and now you have to make a decision whether you actually want to learn C Sharp or you are doing it just for time pass. Not going to implement it somewhere, then it's literally waste of time and it's waste of energy also. But if you have some mindset that you are going to implement it somewhere, whether it may be applications, making games or webs, then you should probably go for it. And when you have made the decision, let's move on for our next step, which is also a decision, but for choosing the medium of learning. If you guys know that I just started learning C Sharp for Unity, I've chosen Codecademy for learning C Sharp. Those who don't know Codecademy, it is a website where you can learn coding and all kinds of programming language for free. I know there are lots of websites like Khan Academy, W3 Schools, Akai.com and many more. If you are a kid and you don't want to go right away typing, you can go to code.org, which is a website where they teach you how to make programs, make applications or some kind of thing with just building blocks. And that's similar to Scratch. Actually, that is Scratch, and you can check it out if you're a kid. And there are lots of tutorials, courses on YouTube which you can check out. And the one I've been going through is the Brackeys C Sharp tutorial, and that is nice, so you can check that out also. There are other C Sharp courses like from bootcamp and many. They are 4 hours long, so you can choose anything. And if you aren't comfortable with any of these, you can buy a course on Udemy or Coursera. With that, let's come to the third step, which is a timetable. Make a timetable that when you have to start learning and what time of the day and what day of the week, because a wise man said, make a timetable, you kiddos. Because as in school, you have some timetable, you have to follow the timetable and go according to the classes, the periods, and you cannot go according to your choice. But here you make the timetable and you go according to your choice, but follow the time. Yeah, with that I think so. Let's come to a final step, which is practice. If you don't practice, man, you can't learn anything. So practice each day you learn and memorize all the data types, variables, arithmetic operators and fundamentals of C Sharp and many more. So write everything on a sheet of paper and take a pen, write it everything and memorize each day of and practice on your computer and learn every time, and make sure you have everything set up and get started learning C# right away. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys know everything about C# that you should know, and this video helped you out getting started, and meet you in the next video.